Hello and welcome to another eToll-free Cloud Phone tutorial. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of adding call center agents in the eToll-free Cloud Phone system. What is a call center agent? Call center agents are registered users in the Cloud Phone system who are assigned specific extensions or phone numbers to receive incoming calls from customers or clients. They are the frontline representatives who interact with customers and handle their inquiries, issues, or requests. Having dedicated agents is pivotal for efficient call management and improving customer service experience. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to the Agents section. Begin by navigating to the Applications menu of your Cloud Phone system. Choose Call Center, then select Agents at the top right. Step 2. Adding a new agent. To add a new agent, click the Add button on the top right of the Agents section. This will prompt you to enter some essential details. Now, let's delve into the key fields you will need to fill out when adding a call center agent. Agent name. This is the name of the agent that you'll see when adding them to the call center. Type. Choose between callback or UUID-standby. Just callback will try to reach the agent via the contact field's value, while UUID standby will try to directly bridge the call using the agent's UID. Call timeout. This is the time to ring the agent before considering them unavailable. Now, for the username, create a system user with this call center agent. Agent ID. This is a unique identifier that the agent will use to log in and out of the call center. Agent password. You can set a password for the agent to use upon login. Contact. If you want to enable follow me or call. Forwarding for an agent, set the contact field to loopback/, then the extension. Now for the status. Set the default status of the agent in the call center. No answer delay time. The time the system will wait to attempt another call to the agent if they did not answer within the call timeout. Max no answer. The maximum attempts to call the agent. For example, when set to 1, if the agent does not answer within the first call timeout, they will not get another chance to answer the call. Wrap up time. The amount of time between calls the agent will be allocated. Reject delay time. If an agent rejects a call manually, this is the time to wait before offering them another call. Busy delay time. If the agent is on Do Not Disturb, this will be the time in seconds before trying them again. Lastly, set the recording field to true or false. Recording isn't available for all subscribers, as it's an add-on feature that requires an additional fee. If you are interested in enabling recording, you'll need to reach out to our customer support team. They'll be more than happy to assist you. Once you have filled out all the necessary fields, remember to save your settings. This will ensure that all the information entered is stored correctly in the system. Adding call center agents allows you to manage your team effectively, ensuring that incoming calls are handled efficiently. This ultimately enhances your customer service experience. So, start adding your call center agents to your Cloud Phone system today. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.